Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we're back with a special video for you guys, and today we'll be working with Afsisterwigs, and the unit we will be installing is their 3D full 13x6 Skin Melt Swiss lace wig. This is it. And for many of you who may be asking yourself right now, what is the difference between the Swiss lace and the regular lace? The regular lace has super large grids and they're super visible, very annoying. And the Swiss lace has those super small grids that just melts perfect with your skin and you can hardly see them. So this is the wig we'll be working with today, and this is it after I washed it. Basically came pre-plucked, ready to be installed. Everything has been done to this unit already. If you're interested in getting this unit, go ahead and click the link in my description and make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So the first thing I'm about to do is to put my wig grip strap on. I absolutely love this strap. It protects my edges and it keeps my wig in place. So I'm just gonna go ahead and snap this on like that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a super thin wig cap over this. Now that our base is out of the way, what I'm about to do is to apply some foundation to my lace. If you have lace tints, go ahead and use that, but I will be using foundation on my lace. Again, this is their 3D full 13x6 Skin Melt Swiss lace. This is it. Super thin. You can see how fine these grids are. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my wig inside out to apply my foundation. And I will be using the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I normally use this shade right here. They don't have names. It's just this one at the bottom right here, because it's the closest to my skin tone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some to my lace. Okay, so this is what our lace is now looking like now that we apply the foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. It did come with the adjustable strap on it, so that is really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So this is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. The edges are given super natural. The Swiss lace is just given. I totally love this. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. I will be using my Even Wonder adhesive to glue my unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. So I'm just gonna pull this back and apply the glue around my hairline. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my blow dryer to make this tacky to apply our wig. I will be using the cold air on low heat. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pull my wig over. Normally I would cut the ear tabs out. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my Even Wonder Lace Bond glue around the hairline, and then we tie this down. But this is it. This is the vibes that it's given. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some glue around the hairline, tie this down, and then we finish styling our wig. Alright guys, so I just finished applying the freezing spray. Now I'm just gonna go ahead, cut the excess lace off, and then we tie this down. I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out whether I want to do a side part or a center part on this unit. I don't know, I feel like I want to do a side part. It is weird, but I really do feel like I want to do a side part on this unit. Let me go ahead and part this out. Alright, so to make my hair flat, I will be using my Samnite wax stick. Just gonna apply a little bit to the hair. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my polyamide Skinny Serum to add a little bit of moisture and silkiness to this unit, because as I said, I washed it and this is it. So I'm just gonna restore the moisture and the silkiness of the unit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my curls. I will be using my Latte Body Mousse. And I'm basically gonna go in small portions and work my way throughout the unit. But it's giving me some really nice loose curls, and I already love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my curls in. This is it. It is giving us some really nice loose curls, and I love it. I'm just gonna trim this front area down a little bit to give it some layers. I'm gonna just cut at an angle all the way. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead, take this off, and see what she looks like. This is it. As you can see, the lace is completely melted. That's why I love Swiss lace wigs, because it just melts so good and it blends so good with your skin. Like any skin tone, Swiss lace is for you. Look at that. Super natural, super laid. Is to add some foundation in my part, and basically that is it. Oh my gosh, the unit is looking super fine. It is giving laid, it's giving natural, and this is it. Honestly, I love it. Super laid, super melted. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some foundation in my part, and that'll be it for this unit. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. We got some really nice loose curls. Love the silkiness of this unit. It is super soft, and as you can see, the lace melts really good. Super natural, giving realistic hairline. I love it. Overall, the unit is just super pretty. I love the texture of it. It is super soft, super silky. I love that it's super easy to handle. It comes fully customized, ready to be installed, and this is their delicate Swiss lace. As you can see, it melts with my skin so good. It is giving natural, it's giving realistic hairline. I love it. If I was to rate this unit, I would definitely give it a 9.5. The only problem I had with this unit was that it didn't fit my head the right way, even with the strap. But everything else on this unit was just remarkable. I cannot complain about this unit. Guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, go ahead and check out the link in my description and make your purchase. Again, this wig is from Afsisterwigs. This is their 3D full 13x6 skin melt Swiss lace. It has that super deep part. As you can see, comes with that realistic, super natural hairline. This is it. And this is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in another video.